I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
First, make sure your phone number is linked to your bank and Google Pay account. Next, confirm you have your debit card and the expiry date ready to enter. Remember that UPi uses a 4 or 6-digit UPi PIN depending on your bank settings. Also confirm stable internet and battery above 20% to avoid interruption. Finally, close other banking apps to prevent notification conflicts during this process. Open Google Pay and tap your profile icon to access settings and payment methods. Next, select payment methods and tap the bank account you want to reset. Choose Reset UPi PIN and enter the last 6 digits of your debit card when prompted. Then input your card expiry date exactly as it appears on the card. Finally, create a new UPi PIN of 4 or 6 digits and confirm by retyping the same numbers to complete the reset. After setting your new PIN, test it immediately by sending a small amount like Rupee1 to a trusted contact. If you do not receive an OTP, request a new OTP and check that SMS permissions are enabled for Google Pay. If card details are rejected, verify the last 6 digits and expiry and retry. Contact your bank if multiple attempts remain blocked and ask them to enable UPi reset for your account. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.